Hello guys, welcome to social study class. This is Miss Tobar. Today we are going to search pros and cons about plastic. So student will create and write the story and two programs. So this is going to be a project for you guys. So we are going to use a important tool. So it is very interesting. So let's see and describe it. What is this? Pixton Edu is a web app that gives educators and students a unique way to create stories, demonstrating learning and enhance writing assignments in any subjects through digital comments. So who can use this program? Well, those who are in 3rd to 12th grade. So guys, let's go to see what I want you to go. So you can use this link that I have in here. So and go to the page. I want you go to the page try and free. So free, I want everything free for you guys. So next, you're going to put your code here, and then if you got a Google account, it's gonna be okay because it's gonna be easy to go in. So after that, you go into this section that is social study. I want you pushing this and you go in, okay? But what I want you to do, guys, well, I want you work in what objective is to use for the investigation? Well, a student can use their textbook, Google videos, YouTube videos, newspaper for search information. Okay, guys? So after that, guys, I'm going to give you some grades. So you need to choose a name and character on the Pixton program. A student must participate in this project. A student at least should add 2 things that they have researched about positive and negative things about that project. Okay, so let's go to the program, okay, and see what I expect you do over there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you go over here, you see that I add something in there. So this is me. So, and here I add some students. So if you want to add more panels, it's going to be okay for me, guys. You can add panels. So if you want to add panels to this, people to this panel, is fine. You go to character. So you can add or you can erase some students. But let me erase this and I'm going to add someone else, okay? So I can add, for example, let's see, Esther, I know you are over there. We can choose, let's see, Esther, right here, okay? So you're gonna be in, okay, and you can, for example, go to add information. So you can add words in here and you can say something. You can say I define something wrong. So you can go ahead and leave that and it's gonna be there in. Okay, you need to, okay, you see how the words are going to be there, right? So you are going to do the same thing if you want to change the face or you want to be in action. So you can do that too. For example, this is going to be, you see how everything is going to work. When you finish, guys, I want you to do this done. And I'm going to see this, okay? And I'm going to see who are participating in this program, okay? So that is going to be it. So you can sign off if you want it and you log out. And that is going to be good for me, okay? So guys, if you have any question, please let me know. And this is going to be a good project. Thank you. Bye-bye.